And there are two open source data catalogs that I want to mention because they compare really nicely. One is OpenMetadata, another is DataHub. And OpenMetadata is simpler, much easier to run, lower total cost of ownership unless you need to customize it very deeply. It's composed of a web application, of a relational database, Elasticsearch, and Airflow, and this is it. However, with simplicity comes the trade-off of being less flexible, more opinionated, and less code-centric, right? It's an API-first approach, so you enter the data by default into the web UI, or you create your own Terraform providers that will do it for you, but it's not as native to infrastructure as code as DataHub is. And DataHub is significantly more complicated. On top of what OpenMetadata has, it also has a Kafka dependency. It has a Neo4j dependency, which is a graph database. And also, instead of using Airflow for ingestion, they have their own custom solution that's built into the system. So it's much heavier and more complicated to run. But with this comes a lot of flexibility and much better. It's much more customizable to if you want to have a very flexible solution. And they also champion the code-first approach. They have their own specification of defining data contracts, so you don't need workarounds to introduce this approach.